Hello, this is the fourth technology that I want to share with you. It's called nearpod, and you just go to the search bar and you type nearpod.com and it will take you to a page to log in. I already logged in and I already started playing with it, but I just want to show you all the nice things that you can do with it. There's too many things, I haven't really searched all of them, but I played with a few and I want to share them with you. So here it's the one that I already made. I'm going to edit so I can do some changes on it and show you what I have done. So my first slide is just like a slideshow. It's going to be like a slideshow, so it's just an introduction. It's just a picture in the title. If I want to add more, I add a slide, and I'm going to have different features to do. So if I wanted to add a video, I just click video and put the link in, but I'm not going to do that right now. For what we're doing, it's just the slides. You can also add with a web content or web page that you want to share with your students. Right now, let's add another slide. And it's just like a slideshow. You can add your title, you can add text, you can add video, images, whatever you want. But once you have it, I'm going to write here vocabulary. And I'm going to add some text. So, just some basic back-to-school vocabulary for my newcomers, like pencil, notebook. You get the idea of how it works. So I'm going to save it. Maybe we could have this one here. Then the next one that I already did, it's an open-ended question. So I just asked my students, how do they get to school? And they're going to have to answer. I'll show you how the student view is in a little bit. And then I already added a matching pair so they can practice their vocabulary. So let's see what it's going to look like in the student. So here, let's start from the beginning. Here is what the students are going to see. So I can see that. And I'm going to have control over it so I can tell them where to go. And that way we're all on the same page. Here is the open-ended questions. They answer their question. I get to school walking. And then they share it with me. And it will be, if I was in the student thing, this will appear in mine. But since I'm in mine, it doesn't really move there. And then we have the next one with the vocabulary that we can practice. And I can add pictures or whatever I need here. And then the last one is our vocabulary where we have to match. So that's feedback for them. They know that they got it. And that's all that I have searched right now with nearpod. I know there's a lot of other things to do, but I just wanted to share a little bit about it, and I still need to work with it a lot. So thank you. I hope you enjoy it.